Hello my friends, wherever you are in the world. William Poloniak here again from Whole Health Foundation. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to diagnose a faulty on-off switch. Now if you'll observe, on most juicers the feed tube has to be on in order for the juicer to work. And if the feed tube is off, it will not work. However, if you find that when you have your feed tube on, your switch is still not working, I'm going to show you how to test whether it is a faulty switch or not. The first thing you do is you take a piece of wire and you cut a length about 4 inches long, trim the ends off, and fold it into a loop. Now this is very important. Unplug the juicer first. The next thing you do is you take these top two spade connectors off. Then this 12 gauge wire you plug into these spade connectors like so. Now if your switch is faulty, your juicer should still turn on when you plug it in. Let's listen in. Okay, there you have it, my friends. If you have a faulty switch, you can buy one from me. Just go to my website, wholehealthfound.com. If you'd like to call me on the phone, my phone number is 760-753-0321. My email address is developtrust@cox.net. And remember, if you need supplies or even free videos on how to diagnose other problems, contact me. I'll see you in the next video.